Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of showing around this fantastic Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo. It's just arrived with us. Registration is Kilo X-Ray 22 Delta Echo Uniform. So this is one of the last ones on a 22 plate. Finished in black metallic. It's a V220 Sport. It's got absolutely loads of options and it's absolutely a fantastic van. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the fully electronic roof. This roof is easily raised and lowered by simply pushing a button on the touchscreen infotainment system inside the car. So the Marco Polo is Mercedes' own factory-built camper. We always consider them here as camping in luxury. The Marco Polo is finished really nicely. So as you can see, the roof is raising right now. Just while that roof is raising, you may notice the large AA Cars standard flag, as we're proud to say we're an AA dealer promise dealer. So this vehicle comes with a 12-month AA roadside, completely complimentary. So as you can see, the roof is just finished raising, so now it's fully erected. So now let's take a look at the front of the vehicle. So we've got day running LEDs, and we also have got the fantastic Mercedes-Benz LED intelligent lighting system as well. We also have front parking sensors as well. So this Mercedes Marco Polo is now set up into what we refer to as day mode. So the roof is up, the awning is out, table and chairs is all set up. So let's take a closer look. So as I said, table and chairs are set up. First thing you notice again, the Mercedes director style chairs, really nice looking chair. So if we just look down the side of this vehicle, you can see the perfect gloss to that paintwork, beautiful reflection there, even though it's quite a dull day today. So first I'm going to show you inside, fully electronic door. Simply open the door handle and the door opens and closes itself. Upon entry as well, we've got another option here. We've got the illuminated Mercedes-Benz logos on the steps for the entry to the cab and the rear. So it's got twin captain seats that are currently turned round. You can also see we've got the wood effect floor. So while we're sat here, we can look across. We've got loads of daylight coming in. You can see our fantastic view here looking out across South Somerset. So on the Mercedes we've got a really nice deep fridge. And we just pop these up here to reveal nice gloss inlay around those twin gas hob burners. Nice stainless tap there as well. Just show you from the other side. As I said, the Mercedes Marco Polo, it's got a real nice class to the vehicle. Here we'll find a 240 volt 3-pin socket, as well as two USB style sockets as well. And we've got a nice gloss finish down through the sides here. The seats here are electronically adjustable. To the rear we also see the nice Marco Polo logo there. Gloss inlaid on the rear in between two speakers. That's also another storage area. So I'm just going to walk around to the rear while we get this set up into what we refer to as a night mode. Just before that, I'm just going to show you, we've got a fully electronic tailgate as well. This area here lifts to reveal our storage area for our chairs and tables at the outside. We also have the option here, if you wish to add, for an outdoor shower. So again, electronic boot. We also have rear reverse camera as well as rear parking sensors. Again, looking down the passenger side, paintwork's absolutely stunning. Alloy wheels all the way around. Nice sport wheels there. The roof's absolutely fantastic. There's no rips, nor snags, nor tears. Show you the front one this side. as I said, the intelligent LED lighting system. Just while we're around this side, I'll just share with you our view outside. We're here on location in Sevington, Somerset. Just show you the wheels on this side. Nice diamond cut finish. Just show you this one here. Really nice looking set of wheels. Just show you that door opening again. Also, just to show you, this is a nice throw awning, Swedish built. Oh, one thing I didn't show you here on the side is our lockable onboard water tank, and also our 240 hookup for when we're on campsite. I do believe we're all set up now, so I'll just quickly show you inside. So, as I said, the bed is now all set up, revealing a nice double downstairs, and our blackout blinds are down as well. Really nice cosy space to be. I'll just quickly show you at the top as well. So we just simply let this bed down, and there we have it, double at the top as well. So I'm just going to jump in the front of the cab and show you the cab controls. And we've got our blackout area across the windscreen as well. So this Mercedes Marco Polo is completely all digital, nice touchscreen, nice and easy to use. So we can see our auxiliary, battery level, grey water, fresh water. This is where we put our roof up and down, so we just do extend and retract. Loads of other things we can explore upon this system as well. We've got the Mercedes Me and apps there, radio, DAB as well, satellite navigation, nice big screen there. I'm just going to start the van, so you'll just hear a little warning just to let us know that the roof is open and not to drive off with the roof open. There we go. Just to show you there, the mileage is only 25,690 miles. That's 25,690. Just turn that off a minute as we've got the roof open. So yeah, 25,690 miles. Automatic as well with paddle shift. We can do hands-free calls on board as well. Just show you the reverse camera as well. Let's just start the van again a minute. And there we go, nice reverse camera. As I said, the roof is open, and that's why it's just beeping to let us know not to drive off with the roof open. We also have electronic folding mirrors, electronically adjustable mirrors, electric windows. 3-stage heated seats there as well. Nice wood effect gloss inlay as well. So overall, fantastic Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo, all ready for someone to enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you'd like to purchase this vehicle or make a viewing, we view by appointment at all times. So please give us a call on 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. Hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll speak to you soon.